Okay, here is a Gibson Nordyne central air conditioning unit. Currently not running. And this appears to have an ECM fan motor. This is from 2018, I think, and that's a 5-ton. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. And yeah, it's got a broad ocean ECM fan motor. And I'm not really sure if this has been on or not, but yeah. Decided to make a quick video of this unit. This is at a commercial place in my town. This is a newer place, actually. But yeah. It's got micro-channel piece of crap coils. But yeah, decided to film that. Anyways, thanks for watching.